Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're flipping burgers in a busy restaurant, cooking up breakfast for the family, or just love that perfect sear on your pancakes and grilled cheese without the hassle of uneven heat or messy cleanup, then you're going to flip for what I'm reviewing today. It's the CROSSON commercial electric countertop griddle. This heavy-duty beast has a massive 24 by 16 inch non-stick cooking surface, blasts up to 3,500 watts for fast heating, and it's built tough for pro kitchens or home use. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want restaurant quality results without gas flames or outdoor grills, this griddle is your new best friend. Let's heat things up and dive into why this is a sizzling deal. First, the feature breakdown on the CROSSON commercial electric countertop griddle. This is a commercial-grade electric flat top that's ETL certified for safety, running on standard 120 volts with a powerful 3,500 watt heating element. The cooking plate is a thick 2/5 inch iron surface with a non-stick coating measuring 24 inches wide by 16 deep. That's plenty of space to cook for crowds, like multiple burgers, eggs, veggies, or even fried rice all at once. It heats evenly from 190 to 575 degrees Fahrenheit with a precise thermostatic control knob, so you can dial in the perfect temp for everything from low heat warming to high sear grilling. The build is all stainless steel for durability and rust resistance, with rounded edges for safety and a sleek look. It has 2.7 inch splash guards on the sides and back to keep oil contained, and a removable grease tray that catches drippings for easy disposal. No more scrubbing stuck on mess. The legs are adjustable stainless steel from 2 to 3 inches high, so you can level it on any counter or table without wobbling. Dimensions are about 30 inches wide, 22 deep, and 11 high, weighing around 64 pounds, so it's sturdy but still portable enough to move around. Setup is plug and play. Just connect to a dedicated outlet, let it preheat in 10 to 15 minutes, and you're cooking. Priced around $150 to $200, it includes a bonus stainless steel spatula with a wooden handle, making it ready to go right out of the box. Versatility is a standout here. With dual independent heating zones, you can cook at different temps on each side, like searing steaks on one half while keeping buns warm on the other. It's great for breakfast, lunches, dinners, or even outdoor events if you have power nearby. And the non-stick plate means less oil and healthier options. Now, pros and cons to keep it honest. The pros are hot, even heat distribution for consistent results without hotspots, easy cleanup with the removable tray and non-stick surface, just scrape and wipe, durable stainless construction that holds up to daily use in restaurants or homes, adjustable temps and legs for flexibility, and that large cooking area handles big batches effortlessly. Users love how it achieves steakhouse sears, locks in juices, and is perfect for social gatherings or small businesses, with good customer service if needed. On the con side, the small grease trap might overflow with super greasy foods like lots of bacon or burgers, so it's better for moderate use. It takes 10 to 15 minutes to heat up, which is normal for commercial griddles but might feel slow. The exterior gets hot at high temps, so keep kids away. And a few report durability issues after months of heavy use, though most say it's built like a tank. Overall, pros sizzle for anyone needing reliable performance. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely pick up the CROSSON commercial electric countertop griddle if you cook for groups often, and the pros like even heating, easy clean, and versatility make sense for your kitchen. It's ideal for home chefs, food trucks, or small restaurants wanting pro results without the fuss. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your kitchen fired up, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a cooking friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.